Dr. Moni Karmakar, yoga therapist, nutritionist. She is from Ayush Ministry, and she has lots of research work being done also, and on the process also she's doing many of the research paper on yoga and nutrition. She has a yoga studio here.
As madam has already introduced you about what is yoga is about, the theme of this year 2026 is yoga for healthy aging. Yoga means an union of mind, body and soul. Ayush Ministry has given a protocol, common yoga protocol of 45 minutes, which we will be doing today. There will be simple basic microcirculation exercises, simple joint movement, simple body movement just to relax your joints and muscles. Then there will be some standing asanas, means which will do in a standing pose. Then there will be some sitting asanas, there will be some pronasanas and supine, means पेट के बल लेटे हुए करने वाले आसन और पीठ के बल लेटे हुए करने वाले आसन, followed by some pranayams and 5 minutes of meditation. We will do as per our capacity. There is no hard and fast rule that everyone has to stretch their all the muscles. We all are doctors. Everyone will do as per their capacity. Don't strain your body. Don't hold your breath until you are instructed to. Breathing should be normal as per your normal breath. When I say inhale, you do deep inhalation as per your capacity. When I say exhale, just exhale as per your capacity. No holding of breath is required right now. Every yoga session starts with a yogic prayer. This is a prayer just to make our mind calm, activate our parasympathetic nervous system. All of you know how yoga will does it. I will explain the anatomy later on. Let's go on with the prayer. For prayer, we'll be seated in a comfortable posture. Everybody can see me, I hope. If not, just follow your front classmate. I am doing Padmasan. If you are not able to do, you can just simply fold your legs and keep it one over another. Breathing should be normal. Gently close your eyes. Both your fingers should be holding the Gyan Mudra on your lap. First finger, index finger joining the thumb on your lap. Simply close your eyes. Those who have specs can remove the specs and keep it aside. Just listen to my voice. No talking please in between. I request you urgently just to be 40 minutes with me. You will feel better in whatever state you are right in. Simply holding the Gyan Mudra on your lap. Gently closing the eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale as if you are filling your lungs, all the 3 lobes of your lungs. Engage your diaphragm, whole abdomen. Inhale deeply as much as you can. Exhale slowly. Let all the tension of your exam stress, all the worries outside of the world, just take out all the carbon dioxide from your system. Again, inhale deeply. Take a deep breath. Always remember, when you inhale, your tummy should be out, your abdomen should be out, while exhaling, your abdomen should be in. Exhale slowly. Now join your hands to your heart center, near your heart. We'll go for the prayer. Just in Namaskar Mudra we do. Samgachadvam Samvadadvam Samgo Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Samjanana Upasate Samjanana Upasate. Again, Om chanting. Inhale deeply. Start. Gently rub your hands, both hands gently rub against each other. Make it warm. Gently tap them in your eyes, your head, over your face. Gently open your eyes slowly and slowly. You can use your specs now. First, there is a protocol of standing asanas, standing Sukshma Vayam. This Vayam is given by Dhirendra Brahmachari, who was a personal physical instructor of Srimati Indira Gandhi, our late Prime Minister. So, we will do with Griva Shakti Vikasaka. Griva means neck, Shakti Vikasika means neck strengthening exercises. So first the protocol is stand in Samasthiti. All of you will stand erect just like in standing position. Now with inhalation, take your chin up. Inhale, chin up, head up, look at the ceiling. Relax. Slowly inhale, center. Now we will repeat this step. Again with inhalation, chin up. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release, come to the center, parallel to the ground. Again with exhalation, chin down. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release. With inhalation, come to the center. Last one more. Do reversal. I will give instruction. Inhale, chin up, look to the ceiling. Inhale, inhale, inhale as deep as you can. 1, 2, 3. Slowly release. Chin to parallel to the ground. Normal. Again with exhalation, chin down. Tuck your chin to your collarbone. Tuck. 1, 2, 3. Release. With exhalation or inhalation, whatever you have done, come to the center. First Viva Shakti Vikasika 1 done. Okay, this will repeat. Next Viva Shakti Vikasika 2. Next strengthening exercises. What you have to do, we have to put our right ear to our right shoulder without any movement of our shoulder blades, neither spine. Only just our head will tilt towards right one time and left one time. How to do? Again standing in Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale and bend to your right without moving your shoulders. Remember the steps. Without moving shoulder, no holding of breath, just bending as much as you can. This will press carotid artery on one side and release the tension on the other side. Again with inhalation, come to the center. With exhalation, bend towards left. Those who have done to right, they bend to left. Without moving your spine. 1, 2, 3. Now again inhale, come to center. One more time, bend to right. Exhale, bend to right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend to left. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come to center. Last one more round. Can you please do? Again, inhale straight. Exhale, bend to your right. The aim is touching your ear with your shoulder. Bend to right side. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come to center, bend to your left side. Who has done right, they do left. Who has done left, they do right. Bend, bend, bend as much as you can. Inhale, come to center. Viva Shakti Vikasika 3, the third exercise, that is neck twisting. With inhalation will be the center. With exhalation, we will just twist our neck to, first I am doing right, then again inhale, exhale to left, again inhale to center. Start. Inhale deep as much as you can. Just bend your neck towards your right with exhalation. Now again inhale, come to center. Bend your neck towards left with exhalation. Inhale, come to center. One more round. Bend your neck towards your right. Exhale completely. Inhale, come to center. Bend your neck towards left. Exhale completely. Last, inhale, come to center. Relax. This is all about neck exercises. All this will release neck tension. All the muscles, your rhomboid, your trapezius, your deltoid, all will be in good blood circulation mode. Okay. Next exercises are of Skanda Shakti Vikasika. Skanda means your shoulders. Mainly working on deltoids, your triceps brachii and biceps brachii. So with inhalation is very simple. Inhalation, hands up, 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 up. Just stretch your spine. Axial tension on your spine. Stretching as much as if we are elongating our spine. No holding of breath, normal. Breathing 1, 2, 3. Now with exhalation, slowly down. It's better to always use t-shirt so that you are comfortable in your clothes. Okay. Last one more round. Inhale. Inhale. Just up, hands up. Stretch your spine nicely so that you can get a good stretch in your all vertebrae. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release with exhalation. Slowly come down. Next is Skanda Shakti Vikasaka 2, that is shoulder rotations. Join your hands, join your elbows to the front. With inhalation, we have to make a big circle with our elbows. Inhale up while exhaling, while our arms are backward, just exhale. Slowly make circles with your hands. Inhale, backwards, exhale. Like this, we have to do 5 counts. 1, normal breathing. 2, slowly. 3, 4 and 5. Last round. Do nicely. Make a good circle. Now we have to do anti-clockwise also. Asanas has a property of stretching. You know about muscle contractions, isometric, concentric and eccentric. So we have to do always opposite asanas to counterbalance the muscle that was antagonist. So just for this we have to do anti-clockwise rotation. Join your elbows. Now do inhale anti-clockwise. Just the opposite you've done. 1 round complete. 2. Breathing normal. 3, 4. Slowly and steadily we'll do. And 5. Okay. Very good. All of you are doing very nicely. Okay. Relax. Exhale. Relax. Next is our exercises of the shoulder blade. This side. It's very simple. Just putting the hands this side and up and down. Nothing much. Inhale up, exhale down. Just putting on the shoulder blades. Inhale up, exhale, just putting on the shoulder blades. Last one more round. Inhale up, exhale down. Next is Kati Shakti Vikasaka, our trunk movement. Or those who have abdominal fat, belly fat, those who have high muscles around the oblique, so they can always practice this 20 to 30 times to get relief. So stand little bit of hip distance apart in your feet.
Rotation ta karo.
हाँ, Kati Shakti Vikasaka to करছি. Just little bit of hip distance apart. Otherwise you may fall. Little bit of this much distance. Your hip distance apart. Now with inhalation, hands up. See the movement. With exhalation, we have to twist. This right hand will be on the left shoulder and hands will be twisted like this. With exhalation only. First you observe me. Inhale, exhale, twist. Then I will say inhale, come to center, exhale to right. This will be dynamic movement of 5 counts. Okay? Inhalation, hand straight, parallel to the ground. Exhale, twist to your left. Exhale, look back, twist as much as you can. Inhale, come to center, twist your right or left, look back. Try to move your this trunk, abdomen. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist back. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist back. Last round, inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist back. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist back. Inhale, come to center. Relax, slowly, relax. Next is Janga Shakti Vikasaka, means your thigh movement, strengthening your quads and hamstrings. So for this, it's like a chair pose type. Utkata Asana का एक variation है. Just holding inhalation with exhalation, you have to do sit-ups type. Just sit-ups, 5 counts only. Head, neck, spine straight, looking forward. Just this thing. Don't ऐसे बैठे मत जाना. इंडियन स्टाइल में बस इसको टाइट करना है.
This position.
Inhale, exhalation, just जितना हो सके. Those who have knee problem, they can avoid. I hope you all are young, no knee problem. Last 2 more rounds. 1. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. इतना ही स्टेमिना. अभी तो 4 घंटे राउंड पे जाना है ओपीडी. इतना ही करने से कैसे चलेगा? ज्यादा करो. 1 more last round. 1, 2, 3, क्या? 4, 5. डॉक्टर्स ऐसे करेंगे तो कैसे? कोई बात नहीं. ओके, जोक्स अपार्ट, कोई बात नहीं. प्रैक्टिस से सब हो जाता है. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज आवर द मसल वी डोंट यूज, द मसल वी लूज. इट्स ए रूल. ओके, next we have completed most of the like body movements, rotation. Next is remaining, that is your knee movement, knee rotation. Okay, you can join your feet if you have a chance to fall, just join in a V, or you can just do it. Okay, just rotation. 1, 3 counts clockwise, 3 counts anti-clockwise. 1, 2, hobe koro. 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, ज्यादा मेहनत हो गया क्या? हो जाएगा. थोड़ा आसन करेंगे, then we'll wrap up. We have 15 more minutes time. Next is तारासन, palm tree pose. जिनका हाइट नहीं बढ़ता, मेरे जैसा हालत है, वो डेली प्रैक्टिस करें. Okay? Now we'll inhale, be in samasthiti. With inhalation, interlock your fingers. With exhalation, you have to come up on your heels. Lift your heels. Just be on your toes. Stretch your spine. Look straight. Those who feel like you're falling, fix your gaze on a particular object in front of you. You won't fall. Okay? Then we'll just move little bit of right and left. चलो थोड़ा तारासन में चलो. Try. This is a very good exercise for building neuroplasticity. See, I can work miles. Exhaling. With exhalation, just stretch your spine, bend down, try to touch your feet. If possible, okay. If not, no pressure.
जितना पॉसिबल है इतना करना है.
After doing forward bends, always it is recommended to do a backward bend. This is Ardha Chakrasana. Hold your hands like this. Put it on your waist. Just inhalation, go bend as much as you can. With exhalation, come front. जितना हो पाए उतना ही. कोई जबरदस्ती मत करो. नहीं होता मत करो. The next आसन is Bhadrasana, that is called butterfly pose. Hold your both of the feet together. Place closely to your perineum region. जितना पास हो सकता है आपके.
बॉडी सीधा रखना है.
पीठ कमर सीधा. ऐसे कौन कर रहा है? मेरे को दिख रहा है. ऐसे कर रहा है. 2-4. पीठ कमर सीधा. See my spine. Spine has to be straight. Otherwise, you will have an injury in vertebra. जितना हो सके करो हल्का. Doing this asana every day removes all menstrual cramps, any cause of any sort of infertility, PCOS, PMS, which is called PMS, and also good for boys also. All BPH problems, benign prostate hyperplasia, those patients can also be given this exercise. Okay. Next is Vajrasana, very easy to do. Just sitting on your hips. That's it. सबसे आसान आसन.
ऐसे करना
कुछ नहीं है इसमें. बैठ जाओ.
Next.
This आसन is the only आसन that can be done after meals. मतलब खाने के बाद वज्रासन करने से डाइजेस्टिव पावर बढ़ जाता है. So this आसन increases all your digestive juices secretion. So it should be practiced by everybody after meal. Head spine straight. Sitting, just close your eyes. Counting for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. See, next is Ustrasana. With inhalation, we'll take one of our hands back slowly. The other will do a camel pose. Ustrasana. Lean back. Come slowly. पटका से मत आ जाना इधर, चोट लग जाएगा. Slowly. After Ustrasana, we have to do the counter pose. We have done the inversion type. Now we have to do the forward bend. This is a relaxing asana. It is called Shankasana, Balasana. Very easy. Inhale up. Just make a space between your legs and slowly rest your body on the ground. Do. ये तो सब कर सकते हैं. सामने अपने माथा रख दो. 1. I am doing counts of 5. Please, जितना जगह मिल जाए एडजस्ट कर लो.
बहुत ही अच्छा.
Do everyone do. 1. Relax हो जाता है. कभी भी मन में टेंशन हो, when you feel stress, you feel like nothing is working, do this one.
Very
1 2 3 4 5. Okay, relax, get up.
Good.
Make a gap, shoulder level gap between your legs. Just placing both of your hands on your shoulder blade. That's it. Normal breathing. Inhale and exhale normally. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. This was the easy one. Last sitting asan is Bakrasana. You can watch, not that much tough. The starting posture is Dandasana, the staff pose. We will fold one of our legs.
थोड़ा जिग हो जाइए.
ऐसे ऐसे कर लो कैसे भी. Just with, if you are folding your left leg, use your right hand just to interlock your leg, and with the left hand just look back. Exhale and look back. If you have done this, repeat on the opposite side, opposite leg.
हाथ.
I am using my right leg and left hand.
नी इधर.
And just look back, exhale and look back.
एंकल. जितना हो सके. राइट. हाँ, जितना हो सके.
Release.
यस.
Release.
जितना हो सके.
One more round just for practice. I will watch.
नहीं.
Again, fold
का
one of
सर,
your leg.
ankle रखना है.
Opposite hand से
Right.
interlock करो.
ये हैंड.
Exhale and look back.
जितना हो सके.
ओ भाई, ये क्या कर रहा है?
जितना हो सके, जितना हो सके. जो तो नहीं
पैर
होवे.
को सीधा करो. Not
Good, try करना है.
one leg straight. Fold one leg 90 degree. 90 degree. This knee straight.
ऑपोजिट साइड
हाँ.
करना है. अभी ऑपोजिट साइड भी
हाँ.
करना है.
Repeat on the same side.
अभी ऑपोजिट साइड कीजिए. जो किया
What
था
sort of
ऑपोजिट
asana
साइड
is this?
कीजिए.
What sort of asana is this? पूरा उल्टा.
राइट.
हाँ. Cross,
यही होगा.
holding
Just
the
like that.
foot and then looking back. Bas, that's it. This is
ये हाथ
the
का पेछन,
number
ये
one
हाथ का पेछन,
exercises
ये
for
हाथ-
diabetes.
right.
Any type 1, type 2. Type 1 though can't be cured, but
यही
type
यही
2
बात.
can definitely manage
पाता
by
सीधा
using
फेंक दे.
these asanas.
यही बात.
45 days practice of Bakrasana at Dandamatkrasana.
यही तो था.
Study by AIMS says that they have completely
এইখানে
cured
থাকবে.
the type 2 diabetes along with other therapeutic interventions.
एंकल नहीं.
So you
ऐसे नहीं
must learn
करना
as a doctor so
ऐसे
that you
करना
can
है,
guide your
तो
patients.
अर्धमोच्चन्द्रासन.
This asana is
फिर
excellent.
हाथ पीछे.
क्या करो? Feet flat on the ground. পাটাত আঙ্গুলগুলো এরকম ভাবে ছেড়ে দাও. হ্যাঁ. বেবি কোবরা, হ্যান্ডস এর এলবোর মধ্যে ইয়ে করো, ফোল্ড করো. হ্যান্ডস ফোল্ডেড, নেভেল মাটিতে, শুধু চেস্ট পার্ট. इट इज अ चेस्ट रेस्पिरेटरी एक्सरसाइज. ये कुछ और ही हो गया. এমন এমন জাস্ট শুবে, হাত দুটো ছাতির কাছে, পা দুটো স্ট্রেট. নাও ইনহেল আপ. বাস ইতনাই. হোল্ড 1 2
नेक्स्ट
3
शलवासन.
4 5.
आने दीजिए.
रिलैक्स. श्वास चलते देते.
हैं?
बॉडी का स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ता है. बहुत एक्सीलेंट है. जिनको
Good.
बैक पेन है,
Good, अच्छा,
भुजंगासना
करो.
और ये शलभासना, मम्मी पापा
हाँ.
को बोलना जाके करे. हाँ,
कोशिश करना है.
लोकस पोज. यस, लोकस्ट.
zigzag में करना है.
LOCUST. इट्स कॉल्ड सेतु बंधा आसन. ब्रिज पोज. ब्रिज बनाना है अपने बॉडी से. After lying down, fold your both the knees. Hold your heels with your hand. Just lift your upper body like this. Make a bridge. 1 2 3
सेतु बंधन.
4 5. Release. जितना हो पाए करो. स्पाइन अच्छा होगा. হ্যাঁ, দুটো হাত
Good,
আরেকটু
good.
আরেকটু
Very good.
কাছে, তোমার যতটুকু
Good
পারো
try,
তোমার
good
বডি
try.
লিফট করো.
करो करो.
পায়ে
Good try,
আরো
अच्छा
গ্যাপ
होता
কম.
है.
হ্যাঁ, এত কম
करो
না.
करो करो.
তোমার কাঁধটা যতটুকু
और
ততটুকু পায়ের
आप थोड़ा
মধ্যে
सा
গ্যাপ.
कोशिश करना है.
হ্যাঁ, বাস.
कोशिश जितना हो सकता है करो.
धीरे
Good,
धीरे
good
হবে
try.
very good for period
Fine.
problems any
করো, একবার
gynecological
try করো।
problem this asana must be done ঘুরালে ধরো আপার বডি লিফট করো হ্যাঁ नाइस नाइस वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस 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 ओके रिलैक्स रिलैक्स देख लिया मैंने ये क्या ये तो पूरा राइट एंगल ওই এটা হয়ে গেছে 30 to 45 আরো নিচে আর একটু নিচে হাঁটু সোজা ছেড়ে দাও আর
Very good.
হাত দুটো কাছে
Fine.
যত হাত কাছে রাখবে তত কোরের মধ্যে स्टेबिलिटी आएगा ये डेली करो देखो कितना असर होता है जो लोग समझते हैं कि पार्लर जाके सिर्फ पिंपल्स जाएंगे ऐसा नहीं होता है पिंपल जाने के लिए आप एक्सरसाइज करके देखो जिसका डाइजेशन अच्छा उसके सारे प्रॉब्लम्स गायब जो सोचते हैं कि पार्लर जाके ही फेशियल ग्लो आ पाएगा ऐसी बात नहीं है जिसने अपने पेट पे काम कर लिया योगा इज
Comfortable
नॉट ऑल अबाउट आसनास योगा इज ए 8 limbed जर्नी यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि what it means yam and niyam are the social ethics that we have to follow like ahimsa satya astya brahmacharya and aparigraha that means we have to practice non-violence we have to practice friendliness with our fellow society friends colleagues workplace school college everywhere then the niyamas are the personal hygiene that we have to follow that is cleanliness bathing every day properly eating our food mindfulness eating and these all sort of things and not holding onto things like this called aparigraha that not holding on to feelings like अरे उसने तो आज मुझे डांट दिया अरे 4 दिन को लेके सोचे अरे उसने तो मुझे खूबसूरत नहीं बोला यार सोचे क्या होगा not these things removing all the negativity from yourself is also a part of yoga that is union with self next asana that हमने कर ही लिया इतना सारा इतना देर से next comes the pranayama is your regulation of breath प्राणों का आयाम prana means your vital life force energy I know you all are medical students but something is there which enables all these body mechanisms to work the consciousness that they have that is some sort of prana it is a force that is driving all the physiological anatomical psychological processes in our body as per yogic philosophy and even the traditional medicines like ayurveda also acknowledges the importance of prana so this prana ka regulation controlling through our breath is called pranayama so it is a breathing exercise based as you see next is pratyahara withdrawal of your senses means going inwards listening to your inner voices self love जिसको हम आजकल की भाषा में बोलते हैं next is dharana that is focused concentration concentrating on any particular object individual your own body senses or anything next is dhyana when the concentration is prolonged it becomes uninterrupted it is called dhyana that is meditation and last the aim of yoga that is samadhi that is the liberation from this materialistic world so now we'll be moving towards pranayama that is breath regulation for this we again need to remove our specs closing our eyes the first set of pranayama is mentioned in yoga granthis nari shuddhi I will talk about naris tomorrow so we are cleansing our basic energy channels that governs the prana vayu within us so for this we'll adopt a mudra called nasika or nasaga mudra the first two fingers at the base of the thumb rest two fingers straight if you are not able to do this you can just simply use your thumb and the index finger as simple as that close your right nostril close your eyes first of all just relax your breath relax slowly जब भी टेंशन में हो मुंह से सांस निकालो head neck spine straight eyes closed first of all be yourself in a relaxed mode now close your right nostril inhale from your left nostril बाएं नासिका से सांस लेंगे बाएं नाक दिए श्वास नेबो close your left nostril exhale from your right ডান নাক দিয়ে শ্বাস ছাড়বো ধীরে ধীরে now again inhale from your right ডান নাক দিয়ে শ্বাস নেব ডান নাককে বন্ধ করব hold your right exhale from your left Slowly exhale from your left. This completes one round. We'll do one more round. Close your right nostril again. Inhale from your left. Take a deep inhale as much as you can. Feel your lungs, feel your abdomen. Tummy out. Close your left. Exhale from your right. Complete exhalation. Whole air inside you is out. Tummy sticks in. Again, inhale from your right. Inhale, take a deep breath. Close your right nostril. Exhale from your left. Slowly exhale. Release all the tension. Last count. Inhale from your left. Inhale, inhale, deep, deep, deep. Take a deep breath. Hold your left. Exhale from right. Slowly release all the tension, all the stress from your body. Release. Inhale from your right. Inhale, take a deep breath. Fill your lungs. Now close your right. Exhale from your left. Complete exhalation. This completes the 3 rounds of Nari Shodhana Pranayama. It is also called Anulom Vilomo as popularized by Swami Ramdev. Next, a set of exercise is Kapalbhati and Bastrika, but this I am not doing because all you have taken meal. So if morning we will do, tomorrow morning we will do. I will guide you then. Next is Bhramrit. It is again a relaxative pranayama. It is called humming bee sound. It is proven to activate our parasympathetic nervous system. For this we have to hold our ears with our thumb, eyes closed, all the fingers on your eyes, both the eyes closed by all the 4 fingers and ears by thumb. Now inhale deeply and just closing the mouth, do like this sound. You can observe me first. Again start. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Start producing humming bee sound. One more round. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Start vibrating. Relax. Remove your hands. Just gently, don't open your eyes. We'll in the last minute of pushing your program. Just 5 minutes of inner visualization. Just observe what I am saying. Just visualize all the things in your body. We will do a quick 5-minute Yog Nidra guided meditation. Nobody should make a sound. Nobody opens their eyes. Gently hands on your lap. Be on your comfortable posture. Head neck straight. Just observe my voice as your guiding tool. Inhale one more time deeply. Feel as if the air you are inhaling is full of oxygen, full of positivity, full of energy and vitality. Inhale this pure air, fill your lungs, give it to every cell, body, tissue. Slowly exhale all the stress, any worry, any tension, any form of resentment from your body. One more time, take a deep breath, fill your lungs, stomach out. Slowly exhale from mouth like take a deep breath again and exhale from mouth like release all the tension. Take a deep breath again. Release all the tension like a release all the tension through the mouth. Last count. Take a deep breath. Deep, 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 deep down. And release from your mouth like releasing all the tension. Release down. Now we will observe our consciousness to be rotating in different parts of body. Where I say any name of any body part, take your mind to that body part and slowly follow my instructions. We will feel a brilliant white light coming down from the heaven, entering your head. Feel a brilliant white light from God entering any of the particular God, any of the deity, any of the individual or supernatural power you believe in. Think a brilliant white light coming from that, entering your skull, coming to your right eye, coming to your right part of face, coming to your right ear, healing any tension, any problem, any inflammation, any infection in your right face. Right now, the brilliant white light entering your right side of neck, your throat, right part of your body, your right shoulder, right hand, right fingers, right carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, entering and removing any pain, any stiffness in your right part of body right now. The brilliant white light entering your right chamber of your lungs, right chamber of your heart, your abdomen, your whole gastric region, your right perineum region, your right thigh, your right knee, your right leg, your right foot, your right tarsal, metatarsal, phalanges right now. Visualize the brilliant white light entering the back side of your body from the right, your right shoulder blade, right vertebrae, all the right side of the body, right buttocks, right hamstrings, right gastrocnemius, right all the muscles, right ankle, sole of the feet, front of the feet, the whole leg. Now, visualize the brilliant white light transitioning to your left side from your left toe, left fingers, your middle toe, your little toe, your front of the feet, your back of the feet, your heels, ankles, your calf muscles, your hamstrings, your gluteus maximus, your buttocks, your shoulders, your right spine, left spine, your left shoulder blades, your left side of the face, your left head right now. Visualize the brilliant white light entering from the front part of your body towards your left side, your left hand, left shoulders, left side of your lungs, left side of your heart. Bhavantu sukhinah. सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Means may all will be free of diseases, may all be happy, may no one be unhappy, may all live the life. Thank you. You may gently rub your palms, make it warm, place it on your eyes and gently open your eyes.